As the experts warn people of the third wave of coronavirus, focus has shifted towards the Delta variant that swept United Kingdom, has become dominant in Portugal and also appeared in clusters in Germany, France and Spain. It accounts for about 96% of sequenced COVID-19 infections in Portugal, more than 20% in Italy and about 16% in Belgium. The rising number of cases have also brought up concerns that the Delta variant could halt the progress that the European Union has made over the past 2 months in bringing new deaths and infection down to their lowest level since the last year. France's health minister has said that 2 to 4% of the samples that were being analyzed in France were showing up as the Delta variant of coronavirus. Community transmission of the variant has been detected in the Greater Lisbon area in Portugal, where more than 60% of the country's new coronavirus cases have been detected or traced in the past week. Scientists across the continent are now looking for clues as to what may happen next and are also finding measures that need to be taken in the United Kingdom, where COVID-19 cases have tripled in the past month, and the Delta variant accounts for 98% of all these new infections. United Kingdom government has also imposed 1-month delay towards easing of all its remaining coronavirus restrictions after data showed that the Delta variant appeared to increase the risk of hospitalization by 2.2 times as compared to the Alpha variant of coronavirus. Whether the clusters of Delta infections peppering the European Union will turn into bigger outbreaks will depend on how many people have been completely vaccinated and also on people's behavior now. Recent UK government research has well highlighted the need to complete vaccination programs as quickly as possible. Data by Public Health England shows that the first dose of a COVID-19 vaccine is generally less effective against the Delta variant of coronavirus. 2 doses subsequently increase the protection against symptomatic infection with Delta variant from 33 to 81%. While in UK about 46% of the population has been fully immunized, vaccination rates in most of the countries in mainland Europe are in between 20 to 30%. About 26% of the population in France has been fully vaccinated, and French authorities are currently trying to contain an outbreak in the Landes region, where 125 cases of the Delta variant have been confirmed by genetic sequencing and another 130 are suspected, representing about 30% of the recent infections in the area. For this, time and again, health officials have responded with the same idea over preventing the spread of coronavirus, which is increased contact tracing and renewed push towards vaccinating the public. Some scientists fear that the Delta variant may have already spread further but gone undetected, given that less of the genomic sequencing needed to identify variants has been completed in mainland Europe. While United Kingdom has sequenced more than 500,000 SARS-CoV-2 genomes, Germany, France and Spain have sequenced about 130,000, 47,000 and 34,000 respectively. Even Denmark has sequenced a high proportion of cases but has still only identified a small number of Delta infections, even though the Delta variant arrived in the country at approximately the same time as it did in the United Kingdom. Experts, however, said that this could be explained partially by differences in the demographics and movement, including the number of cases imported in the country from regions with a high prevalence such as India, and also on living conditions in the communities into which it is seeded. The difference in the pace of Delta variant spread across the European countries remained a little bit of a mystery, said Jeff Barrett, who is a director of COVID-19 Genomics Initiative at the Wellcome Sanger Institute in Cambridge. Still, experts believe that wherever the Delta variant of coronavirus is introduced, it will eventually become dominant. The key, experts say, will be to increase the proportion of fully vaccinated people while trying to slowly contain the transmission of the virus as much as possible. Director of the United States Centers for Disease Control and Prevention has said that the Delta variant is also expected to become the dominant strain in America soon. Lastly, even the World Health Organization has categorized the Delta variant as a variant of concern.